Hello students, in the last video we discussed these four components or aggregates of national income, the GDP at market price, GNP at market price, NDP at market price and NNP at market price. These four aggregates were at market price. Now we are going to discuss the next aggregate, that is fifth. It is GDP at factor cost, means the same component but we are calculating this at factor cost. It means in this very component we calculate the aggregate in terms of factor cost or in terms of factor income earned. ठीक है, I am repeating. In this very component, GDP at gross domestic product, GDP gross domestic product is calculated not on basis of production of goods and services but on the basis of factor cost, or you can say the factor income earned by all the factors of production. So if we calculate this very component directly, means not using the earlier components at market price, if we calculate that very component directly, then we will use the method, income method, for calculating national income or for calculating this aggregate. But here I am using the earlier concepts for this. So GDP at factor cost, gross domestic product at factor cost, can be calculated from GDP at market price. In these two terms we can see that gross domestic product. The difference is factor cost and market price. Okay, so it is clear we have to calculate the market price component into a factor cost component. Okay, so to transform a market price component to a factor cost component, we have to subtract net indirect taxes. Okay, net indirect taxes, you all know net indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are the taxes which are imposed indirectly, the taxes whose ultimate burden and the immediate impact can be on different persons. Like GST is an indirect tax. The net indirect taxes can be calculated by getting the difference of indirect taxes and subsidies. Yes, we can calculate indirect taxes by subtracting subsidies from indirect taxes. If we subtract subsidies from indirect taxes, we can get net indirect taxes. Okay, so a market price component can be converted into a factor cost component by subtracting net indirect taxes. Coming to sixth aggregate, these all four aggregate discussed above are at market price. Okay, now all these components we have to calculate at factor cost. The same components will be calculated at factor cost. So sixth aggregate is GNP at factor cost. So GNP at factor cost can be calculated from the same component GNP at market price, which was the second aggregate in the earlier video. So GNP at market price. We can calculate it from GNP at market price. C, gross net, gross national product. The difference is only the market price and the factor cost. So the same thing, we have to convert market price into factor cost. So we have to subtract net indirect taxes from GDP at market price. In the same way, GNP at factor cost can be calculated with fifth aggregate. The fifth aggregate is GDP at factor cost. Okay, means कि सेम कंपोनेंट जो मार्केट प्राइस में था उससे भी हम फैक्टर कोस्ट का सेम कंपोनेंट को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस को माइनस करके. एंड फैक्टर कोस्ट पर ही हमने जो जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कोस्ट को कैलकुलेट किया था वहाँ से भी हम जीएनपी एट फैक्टर कोस्ट को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सो द जीडीपी एट फैक्टर कोस्ट and we have to calculate GNP at factor cost means gross national product at factor cost. This is gross domestic product at factor cost. See, in these two aggregates the difference is only domestic and national. So we have to convert a domestic component to a national component. So the same thing, we have to add net factor income from abroad. Okay, now coming to seventh component, the same NDP at market price. So this very component now we will calculate at factor cost, NDP at factor cost. So we can calculate from NDP at market price, NDP at market price. So NDP at market price में तो सेम है, we have to convert market price into factor cost, and the same thing we have to subtract net indirect taxes. Or we can calculate NDP at factor cost from this very GDP at factor cost. The GDP at factor cost, here the difference is this very component is gross and we have to calculate the component in terms of net. So we have to convert gross into net. Gross को net में convert करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? We will subtract depreciation. Okay. Now coming to the last aggregate, and the last aggregate is net national product at factor cost. This aggregate earlier we calculated at market price, but now we will calculate at factor cost. Also this very component is NNP at factor cost is national income. ठीक है, जो अब तक के एग्रीगेट्स हमने किए थे these were the related aggregates of national income accounting, and this is the national income itself. Okay, so we can calculate NNP at factor cost or national income with NDP at factor cost. Just इससे पहले वाला जो कंपोनेंट था हमारा सेवंथ NDP at factor cost. So NDP at factor cost and we have to calculate NNP at factor cost. The difference is this is domestic component and this is national component. So we have to convert domestic to national. Domestic to national, domestic को national में convert करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? net factor income. नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड हम क्या कर देंगे? प्लस कर देंगे. नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कोस्ट कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम जीएनपी एट फैक्टर कोस्ट. मीन्स अगर हमारे पास जीएनपी एट फैक्टर कोस्ट है और हमें कैलकुलेट क्या करना है? एनएनपी एट फैक्टर कोस्ट कैलकुलेट करना है, देन द डिफरेंस इज दिस इज नेट कंपोनेंट बट दिस इज ग्रोस कंपोनेंट. So we have to convert gross to net. So gross to net के लिए क्या करेंगे? We have to subtract depreciation. Okay. or this can be calculated from GDP at market price. The very first component, number one, GDP at market price. So there you can see all the three varieties which we use to transform one component to another. So we have GDP at market price, and we have GDP at market price, and we want to convert into NNP at factor cost, means national income. So see one by one. This is gross, this is net. So we have to convert gross to net. ग्रोस को नेट करने के लिए क्या किया, डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस कर दिया, वी सब्ट्रैक्ट डेप्रिसिएशन. दिस इज ओवर. देन कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट, दिस इज डोमेस्टिक बट वी वांट नेशनल. फॉर डोमेस्टिक टू नेशनल वी ऐड नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. दिस इज ओवर. ओके, दिस इज प्रोडक्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट, this is market price but we want factor cost. To convert market price to factor cost, we subtract net indirect taxes. So the conclusion is, to convert any gross component, any gross component to a net component, we will subtract depreciation. Second one, to convert any domestic component to a national component, we will add net factor income from abroad. And to convert any market price component to a factor cost component, we will subtract net indirect taxes. Thank you so much. This is all for this lecture. Okay, bye.